welcome to Medical Aesthetics. We are sitting in Dr. Walter's actual office today, and the reason we're sitting here is we launched the new product from SkinMedica specifically for men. It's called RegiMEN, and Dr. Walter has been using these products, so I wanted to talk to you a little bit about what you thought and how the system works for men.
Sure. They put together a nice package in here. We've been carrying the SkinMedica line for a number of years, and I use it, and this is just something that's specifically packaged for men. It comes in a nice carrying case, and it has a number of, for men who aren't used to using this, it has instructions, which is really helpful. And
hopefully they read it.
And hopefully they read it. When all else fails, read the instructions.
Right.
So it comes in a case like this. There's 4 different bottles and nicely wrapped, but they all, and you don't have to carry the box here, but they come in convenient travel size packages, or because sometimes the skincare products, they're really big and you wouldn't be able to fit all these in here. So what's in the package, these are nice convenient sizes here for traveling, because sometimes these different products, they're too big, and if you use 3 or 4 at a time, it gets really inconvenient to use them and remember to use them all correctly. So the first thing is the facial cleanser here. It really does a nice job cleaning the face, and that's the largest bottle, obviously, and use that twice a day, because obviously you don't want to put this stuff on if your face isn't clean. The next step here is something called Recalibrate. It's a new product, and this actually helps with wrinkles and to smooth the skin. Feels really nice, and if you get razor burn or if you get the ingrown hairs, it helps to suppress that. So that's something specifically designed for men's faces. The next thing here is a product that we've been using and selling for a long time. It's called HA5, and this is not a moisturizer, it's actually a hydrator, so it's more effective. It's called HA5 because it has 5-HA hyaluronic acid products in it, and that's actually natural in your skin, and we're adding extra to it. And what it does is hold on to water, so it really helps to keep the skin nice and moist and hydrated. And the last step is something that everybody should be doing every day, and that's putting sunscreen on. And this is an SPF 45. It covers both ultraviolet A and B, and it's a good habit to get into, and actually if you're quite actively in the sun, if you're sweating, you should be doing this every 2 hours. People have a tendency not to put sunscreen on correctly. They'll put it on once in the morning and just kind of forget about it.
Right.
But with just sweating, or if you're in the water, then the correct way to do it is actually every 2 hours.
Okay, so this is great. So you don't have to bring your own. Right. This will do it for you instead of bringing a bunch
I would suggest with this is just if you're walking around the city, or if you're in and out of the car during the day. It's essential to get good sunscreen, and this is a nice size for that. If you're going to go to the beach, I would just get one of the larger ones that because you still have to put it on every 2 hours, and again, most people really aren't very good at doing that.
Right. Well, the good thing about this sunscreen too is, you're sitting in your car to go to work every day, so you're going to need protection even in the winter from the rays. So
the glass in the cars does do some protecting, but one of the things we see here is for people who drive a lot, that the left side of their face often has a lot more brown spots and age spots on it than the right side, because they're in the car and the sun's coming in this side, this way here, and this side's a bit more protected. The Recalibrate actually helps with the brown spots and helps to kind of soften those up and make the skin, the coloration appear more smooth too.
Oh, great.
So it's really a nice product line for men, and this is the instructions here. It even tells you twice a day or once a day how to put that on. So.
And there's no strong smelling, perfume smelling
type
really
of
product in the product.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because sometimes that can be offensive if it's too perfumey.
Right.
It's not.
Correct. Right.
So.
Great. Well, it looks like a wonderful regimen to get into, and so thank you so much.
So if you have any questions, just give us a call, and I'll have the logo on.
Right, so we have it here in office, but you can also buy it online in our store as well. So that's another easy, convenient way.
It'll get shipped to you, and it's the same price as in the office here. If you want to find out some more details, just call the office and we can give you some more specifics, or you can find it online too. So thank you, and enjoy using it.